Samsung's newest flagship is supposed to be a fortress for your privacy, but let me show you how that promise crumbles under scrutiny. We're diving into the gaps between what they say and what actually happens when you hand them your data. Samsung's flagship promises personalization as a way to enhance your experience, but buried in the fine print is a full-scale data collection operation. They call it convenience. I call it an open invitation for your digital footprint. Let's talk about the loophole that turns Samsung's privacy promises into a one-way street. This isn't just about permissions, it's about how the system quietly rewrites the rules while you're distracted, leaving your privacy at the mercy of algorithms. Imagine your phone learning. Samsung's flagship promises a seamless experience, but what if that convenience comes at the cost of your autonomy? Let's explore how these smart features can silently reshape your digital life in ways you never anticipated. Samsung's flagship phones dazzle with smart features designed to anticipate your every need, but at what cost? Behind this sleek interface lies a system that silently collects data, learning your habits without clear boundaries. You think you're in control, but the fine print tells a different story. Tech giants like Samsung promise transparency and user control, but the reality often feels like a carefully staged performance. Small tweaks can make a big difference. And always remember, if something feels too convenient, it probably is. Stay vigilant.